Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can share your TikTok profile on Discord. So the first step is to go ahead and open up TikTok. Once you're on the home page, tap your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. From here you want to tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner, and then you want to click on settings and privacy. From here you'll see underneath all the account options, the last one there is share profile. You want to go ahead and tap on share profile, and then you can either send it to some of your friends, or you can see the option here that says Discord. Now you want to tap on Discord. That's going to open up this page, and you can see the link at the top there, and it says share to. So it gives you some suggestions as to where you can share it to. So you can either share it in a channel or to someone in a DM. So for this example, I'll show you how to share it in a channel. So you'll need to know the name of the channel that you want to share it to. So for this instance, I'll type the channel name or the server name. So you can see the moment I start typing, this is the name of the server right now. So it tells me all the different channels within that server. I can select the general channel right there, and then it's selected. Now all you need to do is tap on the share button at the top right hand corner, and it will take you into Discord, and you can see it's now been shared in the general chat or the general section of that server. And there's the TikTok link. They can click on that link and then go to my profile from there, and that's pretty much it. So if this video helped you out, then drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.